Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Isabel Kennedy, and I'm taking you inside KSC. Kennedy Space Center scientist Gioia Massa was among 18 NASA engineers and researchers who received the Presidential Early Career Award for Scientists and Engineers. Massa, along with nearly 300 other federal researchers, received her award during a ceremony on July 25th in Washington, D.C. Massa, who earned her Ph.D. in plant biology from Penn State University, is the lead researcher for the veggie plant growth system that is in use on the International Space Station. Her work includes studying the perfect conditions for plant growth in space and what species grow most effectively. Kennedy's Exploration Research and Technology programs hosted a 2-day workshop focusing on robotics and automation in space crop production. Participants from around the world and members of NASA, industry, academia, and other government agencies met to share their knowledge. Topics discussed focused on plant growth technologies, planting and transplanting crops, food safety, and more. Keynote speakers and representatives from different organizations presented high-level overviews of their focus areas. Afterward, attendees toured the center's food production research labs and engaged in more in-depth discussions. And remember, Spaceport Magazine digs deeper inside KSC.